if a container or a cargo that arrived in our port, has been abandoned for at least 15 days to 30 days, tinatanong niya kanina, ano yung action ng Bureau of Customs?
After that, we prepare the goods for disposal, which may either be by public auction or donation.
So meaning after 30 days, you opened this, you found out that there was illegal drugs inside. Ano ginawa niyo?
Actually, Your Honor, hindi namin na-open agad because ang dami po kasi nakalinya niyan eh. Madami kasi mga abandoned na before, no? Before, it was by the thousands. So ngayon, na-limit namin yon na sige-sige araw-araw hanggang naging hundreds.
I know the limitations of the Kaya nga, alam mo, kaya minsan may nakakalusot eh. But we cannot always reason out that ang dami niyan, ganito yan. There must be a system. Di ba? There must be a system. One, you were already informed that it was drugs inside that container. So, dapat may procedures na tayo na gagawin dyan. To interpolate is Congressman Asistio. You recognize?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. My first question is related doon sa Mabalacat, Pampanga. Recently, may statement po ang representative ng NBI na allegedly kaya po iniwan yung Toyota Avanza doon sa supermarket dahil naramdaman ho niya na merong sumusunod sa kanya. Now, tama po ba?
That was the report given to us, Your Honor, sir.
Is that an operation from NBI, PIDEA, or PNP?
As I mentioned earlier, an informant to our agent informed this team that an abandoned vehicle and supposedly containing shabu is in the location of Mabalacat, Pampanga, sir, particularly SM.
So, operation po ng NBI. Tama po ba?
Sir, there was no operation preceding the inspection of the abandoned vehicle. There was no operation preceding the seizure of the 200.
How about the PNP po o PIDEA? Operation po ba ito ng PNP or PIDEA? Kasi ang statement po kanina ng NBI is allegedly kaya iniwan yung sasakyan dahil may sumusunod sa kanya. O sa PIDEA po ba ito?
No, Your Honor.
Sa PNP po, sir, no, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Chair, sadyang nakakabahala po talaga yung mga nasabat ng ating mga PNP at PIDEA. Nung una sa Subic, recently naman po sa MICP, last October 4. Now my question is for BOC. Kailan po dumating sa bansa yung container na naglalaman ng shabu na nakapaloob sa meat jerky?
Sir, with regards to the MICP, the container, it's an abandoned container arrived last 24 February 2023.
February 2023. Kailan nyo po nalaman na drugs pala ang laman ng container?
Sir, Mr. Chair, an initial information was relayed by by PDEG to BOC to verify if there was an existing container number. So BOC accepted an effort to locate this container because the initial information it's not in MICP, it's in Port of Manila. So with the digitalization of BOC, we were able to locate that container. And we'd like to emphasize that it is an abandoned container. Thank you, sir.
So Mr. Chair, sa statement po ng BOC, nalaman lamang po nila na droga ang laman ng containers nung nasabat na nito noong October 4. Now, ang question ko ho, hindi ba after 15 days, pag walang claimant ang container, dapat sinusulatan niyo po yung consignee? Tama po ba?
Well, actually, Your Honor, meron pong tinatawag na system sa tag-abandon. So it is abandoned in our system. And pag hindi pa rin po na process after that, dinideclare abandon po yon.
Ang tanong ko po, ulitin ko po yung tanong ko, hindi po ba dapat 15 days? Pag walang claimant ang container, dapat sinusulatan niyo po
Yes
ang
po,
consignee. The question is, sinulatan po ba natin o hindi?
In this case, Your Honor, we will check with the port. But in this case kasi, Your Honor, yung consignee was suspended because there was a pending case filed against the consignee as early as March 2023, Your Honor.
Follow-up question lang ho. Ayon po sa regulation ng BOC, ilang araw po bago ideklarang abandonado ang container at kumpiskahin nito in favor of the government?
15 days po yung systems tag-abandon sa system namin. Actually po pag binigyan pa sila ng 30 days po, 30 days.
30 days.
Yes, sir.
So, nag-arrive po yung container ng February 24, 2023 na naglalaman ng 323 kilos ng droga. Bakit po inabot ng ilang buwan o halos 8 buwan bago tayo nagkaroon ng chance na buksan yung container? Samantalang maliwanag po sa regulasyon ng BOC na they're given 30 days para maklaim nila yung container. At pag hindi nila na-claim yung container, consider ito as abandoned container.
Ganito po, Sir Honor, there are several containers that are seized or abandoned inside our yards sa Port of Manila or MICP. And the mode of disposal of those abandoned goods are either through public auction or donation or destruction. So bago po namin yun ma-dispose, Your Honor, we conduct the necessary physical examination one by one of those containers. So isa pong problema ng customs that we do not have the necessary space to conduct the 100% examination of all those abandoned containers. Kasi po, ang maximum na space lang na binibigay sa amin ng terminal operator is mga good for 3 containers lang po. Several hundreds of containers po kasi nandyan na that are abandoned. Kaya po inabot po ng ganyan.
Thank you. Last question lang. Sa PIDEA, kailan po ito report sa inyo na meron po silang allegedly meron pong abandoned container naglalaman ng shabu sa MICPO?
Sir, as early as February 2023, as I told earlier, we have been coordinating with the law enforcement agencies involved sa drug operations. And I think it was sometime May when it was in February 2024 when elements from Region 4A, the Calabarzon area under then General Nartates, informed the PIDEA that there was going to be a container arriving here in Manila. So we were going to target this container. And that was in February. It arrived sometime May. We opened it with customs, the SILG, and everybody were present. But it turned out negative, sir. So the informants told us that there will be other containers. So the operation is continuing. And so this happened in MICP. This time, the same PNP personnel who brought to PIDEA our attention of this container vans coming in are related to PIDEG. And it was PIDEG who coordinated the customs. So parang continuing operation, sir, na again, which started during when Chief PNP Acorda took the position as Chief PNP.
That's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Congressman Asistio. Just an interjection to sa tanong. Ang tanong kasi kanina ni Congressman Asistio is that if a container or a cargo that arrived in our port has been abandoned for at least 15 days to 30 days, tinatanong niya kanina, ano yung action ng Bureau of Customs?
So, dinideclare abandoned yan, Mr. Chair.
So when you declare this abandoned, what do you do? What do you do?
After that, we prepare the goods for disposal, which may either be by public auction or donation.
So meaning after 30 days, you opened this, you found out that there was illegal drugs inside. Ano ginawa nyo?
Actually, Your Honor, hindi namin na-open agad because ang dami po kasi nakalinya yan. Madami kasi mga abandoned na before. In fact, before, it was by the thousands. So ngayon, na-limit namin yun na sige-sige araw-araw hanggang naging hundreds.
Yeah, I know the limitations of the Kaya nga, kaya minsan may nakakalusot eh. But we cannot always reason out that ang dami niyan, ganito yan. There must be a system. Diba? There must be a system. One, you were already informed that it was drugs inside that container. So, dapat may procedures na tayo na gagawin dyan.
Yes, Your Honor. But with regards to this container, the information came in only last September.
So, September nyo lang nalaman that there was drugs in that container?
In the container, Your Honor.
But the
Okay.
container arrived here in February. So dapat 15 days after its arrival, meron na kayong action sa BOC. That's the point that Congressman Asisio is driving at. Anyway, we'll discuss that later dun sa iyong executive session.